Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord 3 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. First of all, go into settings and scroll all the way down to access privacy section right away. Then tap on privacy next to permissions at the top and tap on app lock. After that, if you don't have privacy password, you need to set it up. You can do that over here by tapping on settings in the pop-up, tapping on use a different password type, and tapping on one of those login methods. I will go with pattern. Now create your privacy password and repeat it in order to confirm it. When you finished, remember to set your recovery email just in case and answer security question at the top. If you don't like it, you can always click on it and select one of those. Or if you don't like any of them, tap on the question, select custom question at the bottom and type in wherever you wish to. Hit confirm and remember to answer your question correctly below. When you finished, hit this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, when I click on this switcher next to app lock, it's on. Now to close any of your apps, click on the switchers next to the chosen ones. So when I go back and try to access one of those apps, like Chrome, icons that pattern is now required. In order to disable app lock from one of your apps, go into the same settings, click on app lock and enter your privacy password. Then click on the same switchers again. If you wish to disable app lock completely, select this green switcher next to it and tap on the back button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!